And now, next, I would like to look at tom embellishments. It's basically when you're playing your regular beat and not having it crash afterwards, but just playing off the toms. So on this first embellishment, you have dotted eighth, 16th note on the first tom, snare, 8th, floor tom, rest, and then 2/16ths on the first tom. And what I'm going to do is just going to keep the left hand on the snare, like regular, and just to bring the right hand around. That way it's going to make it flow more because the left hand's always staying there, the right hand's just moving, as opposed to bringing both hands around and stuff. So I'll play just the tom embellishment. Sound like this. And now with the beat. And now with the music. With those tom embellishments, I like actually doing it when it's not really an ensemble shot. It can work as well, but I like it when the rhythm kind of drops out of stuff and you can add a little thing in there to add to the music, not necessarily always just doing what the other person does. It's kind of a bit more of that African approach, how they layer their music in different rhythms and stuff, as opposed to just doing the exact same thing, which is great. There's both quite musical. So it's just an idea to experiment of sometimes there'll be a hole in the music. Sometimes you could hear the guitar just didn't do his open strings and stuff, and then I could put it in there, and it just adds a different flavor to the music and a different lope to it. So the next tom embellishment, first part of the bar is just straight ahead. Floor tom 60s, 2 bass drums, 8th, hi-hat open with the snare. So just the embellishment goes like this. Now with this one, I find it easier just to bring the two hands over and do a double. You might find it easier with just one hand, the right hand, or the left hand. Just experiment, see what's easier for you, and that'll help you be more musical, more relaxed. So I'll do that embellishment now with a beat. And now with some music.